it's a new day, and we're starting our day with this very special Turkish breakfast. We came to this lovely restaurant with this very kind, very nice family. They are preparing the Turkish special dish, çiğ börek, which is one of my favorite Turkish dishes. So this restaurant is like many Turkish restaurants and many business in Turkey. It's a family business. The father, the mother, and even the son, they are all working here in harmony to serve this Turkish special recipe. And as you can see, they do it all in their kitchen. They start with making the special bread and they cut it in perfect circular shape, and then they put some smashed meat into it. Then they will be folding it over the meat to give it its final shape, and they cut the edges to look perfect. And voila! Here's our very delicious çiğ börek. Just came now in front of the Sapanca Lake and we are doing our barbecue. Now I became a pro in preparing the barbecue, and as I have learned, you need a lot of wood and lots of cardboard or any kind of paper because it burns quickly. After you set the cardboard or paper on fire, you must wait a bit because wood doesn't catch fire directly. After you leave it a bit, then the coil catches the fire. The coil is not easy to get into fire, but once it gets on fire, I believe the whole barbecue process is pretty easy. So this is Sakarya Orman Park, or the forest park, Sakarya. There are lots of places here for barbecue, as you have seen in the video. We came here today to do barbecue. The entrance fee is 50 TL at the time I'm speaking now, for the entire car. It doesn't matter how many people are in the car, just per car you get the ticket. This is for private car, like you pay 50 TL. A lot of areas here for the kids and good places for doing barbecue. It's directly on the Sapanca Lake. So coming to Sakarya, here's a good spot for you to do barbecue. This sahel is on Sakarya, on front of the Sapanca Lake. Very lively, a lot of shops, ice cream places like the ones in Istanbul. You can see a lot of activities for kids. The weather is a bit warm, there's so much humidity. It's not perfect weather, but the place is fun to be. As you can see, there is this restaurant in the middle of the lake. Very romantic atmosphere. You can bring your fiancé, maybe wife. Lots of cafes. This seems a lot of seafood here in this restaurant. This place is not far from the markets of Sakarya or 𝐂𝐍𝐉𝐻𝐾. I believe it's like 15 minutes. The night lights look so beautiful. There are these boats you can rent. Lots of stores. This store actually got something very interesting. I love what they wrote here. Eggs and baby colors not allowed. This is the motto. I love that. We must stand with what is happening. May Allah be with our brothers and sisters there. A lot of shops here with the kind of Islamic clothing and different and variant cloth outfits. Souvenirs. Come here, enjoy the view in front of the lake. Enjoy your time buying some souvenirs, maybe eating dondurma, kids playing. So many things to do here. So many Arabs here. I think the most people here are Arabs really. Now is the season for tourism. Mr. 𝐒𝐔𝐁𝐒. I believe they do it either with the cheese or potato or the Turkish standard food here. I like 𝐒𝐍𝐉𝐎. 𝐒𝐍𝐉𝐎 is good. If you eat it from a good place, I believe you'd love it. Really good and not very expensive. Rent like these horses, ride horses, maybe for kids or so. The doner, Turkish doner, or as we call it in Egypt, shawarma in the Middle East. I think it's same, shawarma and doner. They are almost the same thing. Just maybe the Turkish one is a bit different. It's the shawarma but with the twist. Like they don't have like the tumiya in the Middle East. They do to tumiya. They're just slightly different, but it's almost the same. I have no idea what they are looking for. This guy doesn't seem to have anything interesting. That looks really good. He knows what he's doing. So many things to do. I like that. I like the vibe. If you don't have money, you can have fun. If you have money, you can have more fun. Shukran. So yeah, as I was saying, whether you have money or not, here the fun is for everyone, which is absolutely great thing I love about Turkey in general. It's not just for Sakarya, but yeah, this is the market for accessories. So many things. These are stores of stones, gang stones. They give some powers. Some people believe in that, like give you positive energy, take off your bad energy. There are so many different types. A lot of things. I have no idea. First time actually I'm working here. I'm just sharing with you now. I'm new to the whole YouTube thing, so I'm improvising now. I'm acting like I'm a official YouTuber, but I have no idea what I'm doing. But yeah, let's see. If you have fun, let me know. I'll be waiting to hear from you in the comments. And this is another guy following people. Wow, this is more like a very realistic kind of drawing. The other guy was doing like a characteristic kind of thingy. This guy took the realistic approach. So many things, so diverse artists here, so many things to buy, so many things to do. If you are a mother, you're gonna love this place. If you are a child, you're gonna love this place. If you're a man and you have your family, you're gonna love this place. I'm not sure if you're gonna love it that much after you pay buying stuff for your wife and your kids. But okay, I can show you this carrot. So lovely. Look at this beautiful statue. The oxes and traditional like Turk farmer maybe. This is like Ottoman time kind of clothing, I think. Maybe I'm not sure. This guy looks so bereketli. Most probably it's a bigger, I'm not sure it's a bigger, I don't know. I don't want to be improvising about this. Maybe he's very important. All my respect to everyone. but the statue, the way this looks is absolutely beautiful. I like it. Yeah, they wrote something there. Maybe you can check. I have no idea what they wrote there. Hopefully there are some English translation, because of course my Turkish is good, but maybe it's not that good. I know a lot of you guys are good at Turkish, way better than me. So maybe you can translate for me in the comments. I will show you here. Hopefully it's clear enough in the video. You can check and let me know what is it written here. I would love to learn about this place. Yeah, I believe Sakarya has important point in history. The Ottoman Empire. But what is this importance? I need to learn about that actually. My knowledge is very limited about that. I have a Turkish friend who's living in Sakarya. He told me some stories here about some historical stuff. But yeah, I believe I need to educate myself more about the topic. These Ottoman colorful phrase, really lovely. I'm in love with the Ottoman style. Aligns with my taste. So simple and yet so impressive. So as you have seen, guys, a lot of beautiful places here, a lot of beautiful activities and different things you can do here. I love this place. Hope you did too. Again, between you and me, comments. I will wait your comments. Let me know if you love this place or not. If there's something specific you would like me to show you. I absolutely love to hear more from you about this. And I'll be sharing more things soon. I have a lot of plans and I want to release a lot of places. We're working on lots of videos. That means you need to subscribe, not to miss any of that. So see you soon, guys.